Hey guys, welcome back on IQcodec to this new tutorial video. So today is actually the eve of the year 2019. So IQcodec wish you guys a happy new year in advance, and we are very grateful to all our new subscribers, making us a total of 986. So actually in the video of today, I'm going to be showing you guys how to listen to your WhatsApp messages without touching your Android phone. So this is kinda amazing. So for this, please, if it's your first time on this channel, click on the subscribe button and hit the notification bell to stay tuned with our latest update. So you can also have two Android devices, which is my personal Android phone with my Android emulator. So for this, on your personal Android phone, you're going to move on to Play Store. Play Store, you're going to download an application known as Smart Announcer. So actually in Play Store, it is named in French, so you search for l'annonceur futur. So here it is, and you can see it already installed on my device. So after installing it, let us see the icon. So here it is. So let us see what it looks like. So hit on the continue, next, and please, you're also free to comment what you would love us to actually do in our next video. So hit next. That's done. So now let us set up this. So first of all, you're going to select your language, which is English. So you're going to click on the this is an ad. So select the English of the announcer, which is in English. So let us leave it at this stage. Now you hit on the application setting, enable the app announcer, select the app. So what you're going to be doing in this app is that you're going to select the app that this announcer is going to announce to you. Each time you're going to get a notification in this app. So I'm going to be looking for WhatsApp Business. So I'm going to activate for WhatsApp Business, since that is what we're going to use in this video. So when that is done, now let us actually try and see what will happen if I receive a message. So let us see if let us say good morning. Let us see what is going to happen.
WhatsApp Business from Messages. WhatsApp Business from Pro. Messages good morning.
So if you actually heard what the announcer said, that the message is from Pro and it's good morning. So let us actually try it back, so you can actually hear what he's saying. So I'm going to try another message. Let us say, how was your day? Let us send. So listen carefully.
WhatsApp Business from Pro. Messages, how was your day?
So if you actually heard well, the announcer read the message that I received on my device, and he did this without me touching my phone. So that was the end of this video, and please, you can actually take a moment and explore some options. Like you can also enable the set battery setting in such that whenever your battery gets low, the announcer is going to announce to you that your battery is low. I can also see there's also an SMS, so you can also enable it for your SMS. So that was all about this video. So please, if you love the video, hit the like button, share with your friends, and remember to comment any problem that you may face during this trip. Happy viewing. See you next on IQcodec. Happy New Year.